Welcome to the Quicken Classic Business and Personal Tutorial, a comprehensive guide to managing your finances efficiently. This tutorial is designed to help you navigate the Quicken software, exploring its features and capabilities for both personal and business use. First, let's start with the basics. Quicken is a financial management tool that allows you to track your income and expenses, create budgets, and set financial goals. To get started, you'll need to create an account and set up your financial institutions. This involves linking your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to Quicken, enabling you to view all your financial information in one place. Next, we'll explore the different features of Quicken, including account tracking, budgeting, and investment tracking. The account tracking feature allows you to monitor your income and expenses, categorize transactions, and set reminders for bill payments. The budgeting feature enables you to create a personalized budget, set financial goals, and track your progress. For business users, Quicken offers additional features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. You can create and manage invoices, track business expenses, and generate financial reports to help you make informed business decisions. To get the most out of Quicken, it's essential to establish good financial habits, such as regularly updating your accounts, categorizing transactions, and reviewing your budget. By following these best practices, you'll be able to make the most of Quicken's features and capabilities, and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, Quicken Classic Business and Personal is a powerful financial management tool that can help you take control of your finances. By following this tutorial and exploring Quicken's features and capabilities, you'll be able to manage your finances efficiently, make informed financial decisions, and achieve your financial goals.